Hey guys, it's Rachel here from ATV Lifestyle. If you recall the one video I did about the 5 things that I did not like about the RZR, one of them was the rearview mirror. Well, Kemimoto reached out to us and they sent us a rearview mirror that hangs a little bit lower. So today I get to install it, take off the old one and put on the new one, and we'll see how it works.
We'll show you how easy this install is. She will. I'll be the cameraman. A little bit different. Follow along.
All right. Well, first things we're gonna do is take off our old mirror. I got it started just a little bit before we started the video, just so it wouldn't take so long.
And those are 6mm Allen bolts. Man, she's fast.
All right, after we get those out, yeah, you want to see how pretty it is?
Oh, look at that, I can see myself. We're gonna sit and play with this a little while, but what it is, if she wants to show you, is it's a clamp. So the clamp is it can go that way or it can go this way. We're gonna see where it works best for her height-wise. Just so she can see good. The other thing I really like on this Kemimoto mirror, and I think she'd agree, is the size difference. It's way bigger. Alright, I'm gonna fast forward through this and I'll cut to the end, but you just gotta tighten that nut down so the clamp tightens down and you'll be good to go. Alright, Rachel, how do you feel about that new mirror? So, what do you think of the mirror difference between the Kemimoto versus the Polaris factory one?
The Kemimoto is literally twice the size of the factory mirror. I'm sitting back and I can see the whole machine and beyond, which...
Part of the reason we had problems with the mirror is we also have this Kemimoto bag up here. So it does tie in nice with that. Without that, it's not as big an issue, but you still didn't have 100% line of sight even without that.
All right, and now I'm gonna take it and show you. Here is the the view of the Kemimoto one, and then I'm just going to slide this up, and here was the view of the Polaris. As you can see, it is a huge difference. And I definitely like this too, like especially when we're hauling, it'll be nice to slide that up. But
hey,
there's that compared to that.
Yeah, the size difference alone and how low it hangs.
Hey guys, thanks for watching mine / Hunter's install of the rearview mirror. I'm looking forward to riding. Unfortunately, I'm not the first one that gets to ride in it to give you a review. So hopefully they can give you a review tomorrow on it.
Also, while we're standing here real quick, let us know what you guys think. We decaled the whole side of it. Do you like it better without graphics on the side, or do you want to see a colored graphic go back on it? I'm starting to really like the all gray look on it myself.
I'm not sure how I feel about it being naked. That's my perspective.
Yeah.
But anyways.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching the install of the rearview mirror.
Please like and subscribe and make sure to follow along, guys. Thanks and have a great day.